Should you print with Canva? I'm gonna go over things that will help you make that decision. I'm Tanyasuelamse. I have a graphic design degree, and I have, in my experience, dealt with printing companies, and I've dealt with Canva for printing different things. One thing that can be a little bit inconvenient with dealing with an outside printer is you have to contact them, you have to get a quote, you have to save your artwork in a file format that works with them, and they need it to be a certain size. Then you need to figure out, how do they want you to send it? Is it a Dropbox? What do they want you to do? Usually you cannot just email it because it's a larger file. Those things take time. They can be a little bit clumsy. It's not super inconvenient, and you do get used to doing it when you've done it several times, but it's not super easy. I will say Canva does a nice job because you design things in Canva and then you just click the settings and you print it. So can't get easier than that. You don't have to save it in a certain format. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to figure out how to create a Dropbox login and sign in and download it and upload it and all that stuff. So that's really convenient when you can do that in Canva. Like, for example, I have just done these. I created them in Canva, recently printed them in Canva. So there are things that you want to look out for. Once you do it, you send it to the printer and they'll tell you, hey, this text is too close to the edge, you need to bring it in. Or, hey, this image is blurry, you need a higher resolution image. Well, Canva will tell you that right away. So when you hit print with Canva and you go to the next step, it's going to give you a warning like, actually, you need to, this is too close to the edge, be careful. And it'll let you still print it if that's something you're comfortable with, but it will warn you first. With printing with a printer, you have to send it to them, and then usually they'll print a proof or they'll send you a digital proof, and then you have to catch that yourself. And you have to look at it and kind of say, is that too blurry? Is the resolution good enough for that picture or not? You have to kind of decide. So that takes time, and it's also, sometimes you might not catch it yourself if you don't know what to look for. And then a lot of times there is, with a printer beforehand, you can see examples of different work, and you can see how it looks if it's printed on this type of paper and this finish and all that. Whereas with Canva, you're not going to get that preview. You're not going to be able to know what the paper feels like, or how shiny does it really look. That is one drawback to using Canva. There's not a salesperson or representative that can show you examples. Not all printing companies do have that, but some of them do. And then also, in this next clip, I'm going to show you the recent design that I did and how I'm going to speak about that. I'm going to review the most recent printing that I did with Canva. Take care. I hope you enjoy. All right, I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like inside. They tell you when it will arrive, and I will say that it arrived right on time, so that was pleasant. It definitely feels like a very eco-friendly recycled cardboard box, and it does say, "You printed, so we planted." This package design was inspired by one of over 205 native tree species we're planting around the world. So they are planting trees, which is very nice. Every time you print one of their designs, they do plant more trees, which is really awesome. I love trees. And then this is how they came in to me, like this. Basically I printed a postcard, and they each came in their own little envelope here, and it says peel at corner to remove. So peel at corner, I'm gonna peel it and pull it out. And I'm looking at it for the first time. I'm really excited. Okay, I'm liking it. Awesome. I got the slightly glossy finish, like a little bit on the matte side. So I like it. It's not too glossy, it's not too reflective or shiny. I think it will photograph well. Yay, I'm so excited. It's for my new spread, my mindset spread, TSL mindset spread. And this is the 4th question in the spread. What gift support should be called upon now? So I'm so excited. And I put the seed of love, sacred geometry on each of these. Oh my gosh, let me open another one. I'm gonna peel it again. Okay, this is from my other spread, the alignment spread. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I mean the colors are looking really good. I love it. I purposely have them go to the edge. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so pleased. I'm so happy with it. They did a good job. So I will say I had an issue with the last time I printed with Canva, where I asked the AI if I can get the bulk pricing for printing postcards. How can I do that? Because I've got, each card is going to have a different question. And the AI said that there is an app part of Canva that will allow you to fill in data from like an Excel spreadsheet kind of thing. So I tried it, and it's really designed for addresses, and this is not what I'm using it for. I'm putting in, you know, long sentences, because this back would be all the same. All I'd need to be different is just this line. So when I did it, it did not work as I had hoped. The preview showed what I had as my word that was like supposed to be replaced with the data. I put in the data, but for some reason it didn't print with the data. I think maybe because it was too long. I think I was expecting that it would be smart and figure it out, and it wasn't. So the preview, it came printed just like the preview, and I was thinking the preview was kind of just showing me that code word because the preview couldn't generate the data. So it was partly my mistake. I hadn't used that app in their system before. So, and I think it wasn't really designed for long sentences. Well, I wasn't happy with it, so I went in and I disputed it. I said, I need you to return this or refund it. And I actually was able to refund it. They didn't follow up with any questions. I just told them it wasn't printed how I expected, and they just refunded it. It was nice. I didn't get contacted again. I just all of a sudden got a refund for it, and I was able to keep the cards. I can't use them. They didn't turn out how I wanted, but I was able to keep them. I didn't have to mail them to anybody to get the refund. So I did really like that. Like, they are good at giving you a refund if you're not happy with it. So I'm very pleased. And that was a big reason why I decided to print with them again. And it turned out really good. I'm very happy. But overall, I would say yes, print with Canva. It was great to work with, and it was actually pretty fast. It took about 5 to 6 days. So I'd say that's pretty fast. And it wasn't super cheap, but it wasn't super expensive, all things considered, because it was delivered right to my door. So yeah, I was very happy with it, and I would recommend it. Let me know in the comments if you would print with Canva, or if you've printed with Canva. I'd be curious to see what your experience was. And also, side note, I'm so excited. I'm gonna start using these for my Oracle and Tarot card pulls, so I'm so excited. Take care. Love you guys. Bye. What else? Yeah. I think that's it.